In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy on your HP DeskJet 2827e printer. First of all, let's insert the paper on the scanner that you want to make a copy of. So let's say this is my document. You're going to place it facing down. And the important thing is to simply align this corner over here of your printer, of your paper, sorry, with this corner of your scanner. So make sure both are touching. This way your paper will be aligned. Close the scan lid and we need to go on the control panel over here. Now obviously make sure you have some paper inserted already. On the control panel, these are the two buttons that we're going to use to make a copy. If you want to make a color copy, you're going to select the colorful button right over here. If you want to make a black and white copy, you're going to use this button. Now, if you want to make, let's say, 2 copies or even more, you're going to simply press this button multiple times and the number over here will update. So let's say I want to make 2 copies in black and white. Well, I'll press twice on the black and white button and I'm going to take a look at the screen. So 1, 2. And after a few seconds, this number will stop flashing. I mean, after 1 second, the number will stop flashing. The printer will scan and the result will come out in just a few seconds. 2 copies. Here we go. This is how you make a copy or multiple copies on your HP DeskJet 2827e. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.